Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to prevent domain users from changing the display resolution on client computers. As an administrator, you can create a GPO and apply it to domain users to prevent them from changing the display resolution. When you open a client computer and go to the display settings, you'll find that this user can change the display resolution and has several options. However, if you want to prevent them from modifying or changing these settings, you can create a policy that enforces this. This policy is particularly important for IT administrators who want to maintain a consistent and stable desktop environment across the network. This ensures that applications display correctly and keeps your organization's devices compliant with company standards. Let's begin by creating this policy step by step. After opening Server Manager, click the Tools menu, and then click Group Policy Management. On the left side, click Forest to expand it and select your domain. Then right-click the organizational unit to which you want to apply the policy. From the menu, click Create a GPO in this domain and link it here. And in the new GPO window, give the GPO a descriptive name. For example, I'll name it Deny Display Resolution Change and click OK. Next, right-click the newly created GPO and select Edit to configure the policy with the new changes. This will open the Group Policy Management Editor window. Then navigate to the path that appears in front of you on the screen, and I will leave you the path in the video description for easy access. On the right side, you'll find the policies available for this section. Look for the policy called Disable the Display Control Panel and double-click it to open it. All you have to do is select the enabled option. This policy revokes access to the Display Control Panel, which includes resolution settings. Users will no longer be able to change the display resolution from the Control Panel or the Settings app. Click the Apply button and OK to save the changes. Now you can close the Group Policy Management Editor and close all open windows. The next step is to verify that the policy has been applied to the client computers. And to ensure the policy has been applied, you must update the group policy. Open the command prompt window and enter the Group Policy Update command, gpupdate/force, and wait a few seconds for the update to complete successfully. After updating the policy, open the display settings. You will now notice that the option to change the resolution is grayed out or unavailable. Therefore, the domain user cannot change the display resolution. That's all for today's video. We've implemented a policy to prevent domain users from changing the screen resolution. This ensures a consistent desktop experience and prevents any incorrect settings that could cause display or app issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.